What if I told you no one is going to come save you? You feel stuck, overwhelmed, like no matter how hard you try, life just isn't getting better. You're spinning your wheels, waiting for a breakthrough that never comes. And guess what? If you keep waiting, nothing will change. The stress, the frustration, it's only going to get worse. But here's the thing, there is a way out, a way to take full control of your life and finally get the results that you've been chasing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Stick around, you'll never look at life the same way again. Let me tell you a quick story. There was a time in my life when I blamed everyone and everything for where I was. My circumstances, my past, even the system. None of it seemed fair. But one day, I had this realization no one was going to come save me. And honestly, it scared me, but it also set me free. I decided to stop waiting and start taking ownership of my life. That one decision changed everything. So, how can you take control of your life starting today? Here are three powerful steps. Step one, raise your standards. Stop tolerating mediocrity in your life. What are you accepting right now that you know is holding you back? Maybe it's poor health habits, toxic relationships, or a job you hate. Decide today that you're done settling. Set clear, non negotiable standards for yourself and stick to them. Step two, work on every area of your life. Real transformation happens when you commit to improving every part of your life, not just one. Start with small, manageable changes. Maybe it's committing to daily exercise, learning a new skill, or building better money habits. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Step three, take bold, consistent action. Dreaming about a better life isn't enough. You need to do something about it. Invest in your growth, learn from your mistakes, and take risks. Every bold step you take brings you closer to the life that you deserve. So here's the truth, nobody's going to come save you. And the best news you'll hear all day, it means you have the power to change your life. You're not a victim of your circumstances, you're the creator of your future. If this message resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and join this community of action takers. Let's rewrite our stories together. You got this.